All right, we got an exciting day. It is about 8 o'clock in the morning and I am about to get my new wheels put on, the Ram 1500. I went with Raceline. Thank you guys so much at Raceline, I appreciate it. Incredible wheels, they look awesome. I can't wait to get them on. I went with the 947B Scouts. They just look awesome. I mean, nothing is wrong with these wheels. They're great shape. I'm just kind of in the process of wanting to black out, emblems, all this stuff. In a previous video, I did replace the front grille Ram logo. That was a pain. Go watch that video. But yeah, I'm super excited. I have a company that's actually gonna show up to my house called Elite Mobile Tire. Shout out Tim Muniz for recommending them to me. Yeah, I'm just super excited. I got up even earlier than I probably ever needed to for this, but it's gonna look sick. Stay tuned. All right, so we've got Elite Mobile Tire here, and they got all the wheels off, and they're about to make the switch. Yeah, let's go check it out. All right, they got one on. It is looking awesome. Ooh. Looking good, looking good. All right, so Elite Tire just left and the wheels are on, and damn, those look good. Oh, I'm so stoked. Check these out. Ooh. Ooh. Look at them things. Went from originally an 18.8 to an 18.9. I did go with the 0 offset, but because 18.9 does kind of go out a little bit, which I'm stoked. Anything more and I think it would have just been a little bit not my style, but dude, these things are sick. So yeah, really impressed with these guys. I mean, it didn't take them long at all. The wheels look great, super nice, affordable. I think it only cost me like with tax like 150 bucks. I'm stoked.